Good morning. I am going to walk you through one spectacular home, 142 Fallingbrook Road. Listed with Keller Williams. This is Julie Hughes, and the sun has come out just to show you how beautiful it is to have such a gorgeous house. Open space, floating oak staircase, walking into an amazing dining room area, all walnut cabinetry, custom done, wine cellar that is awesome and amazing, climate controlled for 150 bottles. We have integrated Jenner fridge, 4 foot wide, and this is the butler's pantry, which comes into the built-in microwave, custom cabinetry, Miele 6-burner gas stove, pot filler, and a commercial grade hood. Looking out into the back patio has a fan for those hot days, beautifully landscaped backyard. Turn and do a 360. We've got a center island, waterfall, center island, Bianco Carrera marble. The flooring throughout the entire house is a 7-inch oak panel. We're walking into the fireplace area, living room, and we have a powder room on the main floor. And how amazing! But if you do have pets or you have dirty feet, you can come in through the garage, which is right here, and wash off your feet. What we'll do is we will quickly wander downstairs to